Hi, this is Leslie Josel, academic and parenting coach of Order Out of Chaos, and you are watching another episode of Lessons with Leslie.
When your student finally sits down to do their homework, how many times do they get up to find the supplies they need? Too many, I'm sure. Every student in your home needs what I call a 4S, and that's a school stuff storage station. But here's the key. Everyone in your house needs their own, because what your 8-year-old needs, which might be crayons and markers and glitter and glue, is going to be very different than what your 15-year-old needs, which might be his USB drive or his protractor or even a Chinese dictionary. So here are the 3 rules of thumb to follow. It should be a box that is clear, because if they don't see what's inside, it doesn't exist. It should be labeled not only with their name on it, but also with what's inside. This way they'll know exactly what's missing. And the third thing is it needs to be portable, because we know it doesn't necessarily mean that your student is going to be doing their homework in the same place every day. So open it up, drop some supplies in, and this way your student knows exactly what they have to stay organized and get their homework done. Thanks.